as hell.
Well, let me slow down a little bit.
5,200 push-ups.
Say it again.
Did you say 5,200?
No, like 50 to 100. So the first month, the first month I started off doing just 50 push-ups a day, just to get myself in the rhythm. And now this probably like it's going on like the third month. So during this month I was doing like once 50 got easy, I started doing like 100. So I'm like, all right, man. Now I just do 100 push-ups a day.
In a row?
Niggas in a row? Oh, he's checking you, bro.
Oh, my bad. I didn't even hear you. What'd you say?
In a row, bro?
Yeah, I can knock out 100 easy.
Damn.
Matter of fact, I might would just do this shit right now. Watch.
Price came for that weekly imbalance. Retested.
We're gonna knock these 100 push-ups down.
Oh shit. We may be getting a pullback on Nasdaq right now. I don't know. She might be done for, bro. We'll wait another 20 minutes. We gotta check her every 5 minutes. Ooh. XRP going up. Bitcoin going up.
That's 50. Got 50 more to go.
Instantly.
50 instant.
I like Bitcoin. They got all the sell side liquidity. Now it's trying to rise up. Do the 101 on Bitcoin. So Nasdaq real quick. Gosh damn. I'm buying, selling, buying. Hold on, do Nas real quick.
Got 10 more to go.
If you sold, you in profit. I get my profit, it gets in my profit. I think it's not like a rocket.
I'm done. That's 100.
Knock them shits up.
Motherfucker arms feel like noodles now. I don't even know if I can get buy or sell. Aaron, what you looking at?
I am looking at Nasdaq. About to look at Bitcoin. I entered the scalp. Scalp for Nasdaq. Sorry if there's echo. Give me that scalp. Give me that scalp. I wanted the Bitcoin buys too. Alright. Bitcoin. Stop loss. 67,194. Take profit 78. 243. It's not a full 101, but we'll enter it. Gold got us today. I ain't gonna count. She probably mad as hell about how I did her yesterday. That is good structure though for it to continue buying, but we'll see. It goes to buy side liquidity.
It's a fat candle on gold.
Yeah, it is.
What you looking at it on the what time frame?
What day?
Oh, we just took out the buy side liquidity.
Let's see. What time frame should I look at? 15 minutes.
Well, since we're scalping, you probably want to be on a 15-minute.
That's what y'all on.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it on the 1 minute, but you know me.
I mean, you go to the one if you want to. I avoid the one.
Nah, but I got a higher time frame analysis, so that's why it's easy.
Yeah. If you do top down, then if you know what's going on, you go straight to the minute and get the precision of what the price is doing. Alright. I don't even remember where I entered right here. Am I in drawdown? Hell no. I'm deep in profit on Nasdaq. Why is that? Oh, that bitch reversing.
On Onyx.
That's what entry is.
Fucking, you guys know what FOMO is?
One more time.
You know what FOMO is? FOMO, it's called.
The fear of missing out.
No.
Are you talking about the prop firm?
Yeah, I'm talking about the fucking app, bro.
Nah, I don't know.
It's a, like,
That's an old ass app.
fucking, yeah, it's pretty cool. I just put $10 into Onyx. Like, it's like a meme coin. And I guess people can write, like, theses on, like, different coins. I'm fucking up $50 right now.
Oh, this shit. Let me borrow some money. Let me borrow some money.
You're rich.
Nigga say you're rich.
That nigga's not rich. God damn.
Oh, come on, get there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I said a sell limit or what right here, but I have an entry right here. Get there.
Tired as hell.
But I'm not trying to go back and draw down with Nasdaq. I tell y'all this, bro. If Nasdaq if gold gets up here and it starts looking like it doesn't want to continue buying after it sweeps this liquidity, I will look for sales from here. Possible sales. It's a weekly imbalance. It's all the way from the weekly time frame. This is an area where price has already rejected a couple times. If it wants to reject again, take that. I don't know if I'll still be on here that long. I got a meeting coming up soon, but that's what I see for Nasdaq. Bitcoin's in profit. Nasdaq just barely in profit. Did I drop either of those signals? Damn, I didn't drop any signals. Oh well, that's why sometimes you gotta be live, bro, because I can't be typing and looking at 3 different pairs of charts and everything.
Right.
Funny thing is, when I type signals out, bro, I look at the chart. I go type that bitch out, put it in the chat, then I get in. I'll be the last person to get in the trading, bro. I'm always the last person to get in the trading.
not be lacking, but I'm about to start getting on my shit.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie, this trade might lose. That's alright though. 81, 79. This trade lose, I'm cool with it. I made so much money. Oh, these past goddamn 11 trades. That don't make no sense.
Make it all $5.
Damn, I got that last TP at fucking 72. God damn.
Guess I'll use my phone to screenshot my trades and send it.
We're gonna go fucking scalp TP at 85. Never mind, that shit already falling. Ain't no sense in me trying to type that bitch out.
Both of these RRs are horrible, but Mark X.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, did I just hit TP1? Damn, there we go. There we go. That's why we hold. That's why we hold. Oh, Nasdaq is selling off. It's trying to get there. It's trying to get there. It tried to manipulate us a little bit, but I kept holding these sells for Nasdaq, and we getting there. We getting there. There we go. TP1 hit.
Bro, there's so much money being made inside this chat. Shit is retarded, bro.
I got a little worried. I ain't gonna cap. Ooh. TP2 hit. Who sold that? 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 Bro, who sold that? Please tell me somebody sold that.
What, Nas?
Yeah. Oh, no. No, I'm not even sharing my screen. Oh. Niggas ain't said a word. Niggas ain't said a word. My fault. Niggas ain't said a word. I sold this right here, bro. I thought y'all.
I ain't take Nas. Bro, you know, I be scared of Nas, bro. I can't fuck with
Yo, that motherfucker tanking, bro. That motherfucker tanking. Let's go. Okay, cool. Anybody get in that though? I didn't realize my screen wasn't sharing. Damn it. Had my OBS open. I think I closed out. I'll show y'all my profits today, bro.
Come on, go. Stop playing, bitch.
Damn it. That's on me, y'all, if y'all wasn't able to see that screen, but
That bitch, come on. That bitch going. TP2 hit. Come on, man.
well, back to the story. Let me make a story post. Now I gotta run.
Come on, y'all. Playing too much money. 79 is an
NQ1 just dropped hella hard.
Man, this shit getting out of hand. I hope y'all taking these trades, man.
Man, you know it.
I hope y'all taking these trades, man. Oh my god, bitch, I'm about $50 right now.
Damn.
Let me share my screen with y'all niggas. Hold on.
Ooh, 98 pips. Okay. Let's get it.
Take your boy out though, man, so y'all know this ain't no bullshit. I hope y'all taking these trades, man.
You know it.
I am going to take a partial though, for sure. 7, 14, 21. I close out $21. Y'all see how my phone moves so slow?
Oh shit, my mic was off. I wouldn't say a retest. I would say more so it's reaching sell side liquidity, and then it's just reacting to it. Right, like there goes these lows, let's go these lows. You can see price just kind of played in between for a second, but it's still dropping. I would say would a retest is it basically testing a level, right? Like it's going back to a level for a second time. Um, you could say maybe like a rejection that it would just look like, or a retracement, but I would say a retest would more so be like, imagine, let me see here, like price came up here to this level here once, and then now came back and retesting the same level that it just wicked. If that'd be more so a retest.
I haven't took the trade yet, but I have my TP set at 29,336, and then my buy limit's 29,306. See, I should have took that. It just fucking, it's going straight up.
Oh, so you're trying to buy above, like a buy stop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got you. I mean, you wouldn't be wrong. I feel like we're exiting. A lot of sellers are probably exiting the market. I know I did. I know I just did. That shit took me out quick. I got a little worried. I wasn't drawdown, but
Right.
I'm out of there now. Make sure my OBS is showing. Sean, I never seen your screen. I think you shared it for a second.
Yeah, I did. My phone started lagging.
Oh, got you. All good.
Yeah, my bad, y'all. My phone be lagging, y'all. It be bullshit going on.
Maybe my Wi-Fi is...
Actually, a lot to process.
I got a computer, but I don't even be on that shit. I do all my trading from the phone, but I do need to bring that computer out. Yeah, bro. When I be doing my markups on my phone, like, and I be showing people like I really just trade off the phone, motherfuckers be like, for real? Like, I be like, hell yeah. As long as you can see, you can trade off that phone. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna share my screen again with y'all. Can y'all see it?
Shit, yeah. I'm looking at it.
This one I'm in right now. I want this bitch to push down here. See these new entries I got right here? I just put these in. I took partials when price was like coming back up, and I seen price was rejected from this gap. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna just sell it again. See if I can just make up the difference. But you see my phone on 13%. But this 1 hour gap right here, I think price gonna keep faking niggas out. Like niggas gonna try to buy from here, boom, get smacked out. And price gonna keep
trying to show his
down here, like got an order block right here.
Mm-hmm.
I think price gonna come down here, keep it real.
And then from there,
I mean, shit, from there, I don't care what it do. When I'm about to trade, I don't care what the trade do.
right.
But I do gotta stop sharing my screen because my shit lag.
I'm about to share my screen again in one moment. Get that taken care of.
Even like now, my shit is lagging so hard right now. Come on, go, just flip down. Flip.
Yeah, I got a 1 hour order block to fight through. When I say resistance, let me see why I see resistance.
We like 12-0 at this point.
Hey, we went crazy.
We like 12-0, man.
Yo, Ty, we have a meeting in like a minute. Did you want to do like 9:15 at the Cook's Cafe? Is he still here?
Yeah, we could do. You want to do Cooks, or where do you want to go?
I mean, that works for me. Is it open? Yeah, it should be open. This is breakfast. I mean, that works for me.
And that'd That'd be dope, man. Y'all go outside and get some air.
I do see.
That'd be fire.
Real quick, for gold, I have this 1 hour order block marked up that price is currently at, and price has used it to like reject a lot of times and even use it as support. So there was huge resistance before. So now that price got above that blue box, right? I can see
a 1
it.
hour order block.
Yeah, it's all the way back in May.
No, I'm probably gonna have to go look for that.
May 18th on the hourly, but now that price finally closed above.
To find it on?
The 1 hour, May 18th.
Hey, bro, do you want to do it actually later? Like after 4?
After 4?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see my schedule. I know I have one at 5, 4. Damn. It may have to be like either 6:30 or 8 p.m.
That's fine. I'm usually a fucking night person anyway.
Is 8 p.m. cooler for you? Actually, damn, I probably want to be on my phone then, but 6:30 wouldn't work either. Damn it. What does Saturday look like for you? Would Saturday work?
Saturday I work 9 to 3.
Cause I mean, like my Friday, it just packed. I'm supposed to be watching my nieces after 7 p.m. So I'm probably not gonna be able to be on my computer and help. Actually, no, I definitely we're trying to do a meetup. I want to be able to do a meetup that late. Damn it. So yeah, Saturday. If Saturday after work works for you, I'll make it work.
Yeah, it works for me. Like 4 or what?
Yeah, let's do 4.
Alright, bro, bet. Damn, gold.
What just happened to my calendar?
Gold on the 15-minute. Gold on the 15-minute.
Saturday, 4 p.m. Gotcha. Yeah, I see this. So that 1 hour order block all the way back from May, you can see like today, price finally closed above. Now it hit equilibrium. It's going up. That's why I was trying to find these buys here. Hopefully, but we do have a weekly imbalance, and imbalance just needs to be reached. It doesn't need to be rejected. So there is a lot of areas above that price is probably going to fail to really play into as it's a Friday, but that's why I was bullish. That's why when I get on my laptop, bro, I'm going back to when price was previously at this price. I don't care if it was all the way back in freaking February. If it's all the way back in January, I'm looking at what price did at this price.
Right.
So we got the order block. The order block was a resistance. So that just tells me, okay, price is respecting this area. Hard ass wick closed all the way below after wicking probably what?
Damn, that's a badass wick.
That was a little bit over 200 pips that price went up and wicked and they closed below this order block. So now that price is back. Now that price closed above this order block, it went from a resistance to a support, right? So if we got an order block. This is our order block that's created. And then it gets resisted, even a wick and resisting. Now that price finally comes above, now we're looking at it as a support.
Yeah, it's gonna go up. So should we put some trades into gold right now?
We probably just missed our entry for gold about 10 minutes ago. One was actually in that order block. You would either want it to be wicked like this wick, which is perfect. We can cut this wick right here with this order, or at least the slightest entry you would want on top of the order block, and then just like your SL a little bit below that order block, right? Because the higher you buy in now from this original trade, is basically the more you risk. Like if I was to market execute right now, that doesn't change where my stop loss is at. My stop loss is based off this order block. Cause let's say I do move my stop loss, and price wants to retest this or whatever, that's just giving me more drawdown. Because if our price goes like this and then goes back up, the trade's still valid. This is still a valid trade. I'm not like, oh, I need to look for sales now because I hit stop loss. But if I keep this original position now, of at least getting above here, I'm retesting the top of the order block, then it's like, okay, I'm way more cool about where price is just now drawing back. Price may be falling, but it's only going to go into my entry. I am respecting everybody else's analysis because some reason, right, I'm in this Discord where everybody else, very, very profitable traders, everybody was looking for sells. Someone talking about taking gold down to the 4-hour gap. My buy hit SL and Strat have a sell signal.
Boy,
See, everybody else.
Sales is killing motherfuckers. It's like, bro, I'm just catching the sales. Like, and I see.
I'm not in it.
I'm like, yo, this 1 hour candle. No, it was a 30-minute. The way that 30-minute candle was like printing down.
Yeah.
I say, yo, like the next 1 hour candle, even if it's not, as soon as that next 1 hour candle open, but maybe like 2-3 hours into it, bro, that shit gonna fall down. And when it falls, it's not gonna stop falling.
Yeah. If it can close below this.
Like, my bad, bro. I don't mean to cut you off.
No, you good. I was just saying, if it can close below this 1 hour order block, that's definitely a sell signal too. But if you can find an entry above and then price goes and close below this, that's just double confirmation to sell. Or double confluence, two confluence. Price can find its way below. It's going to be support again. Go down. We do have buy side above. We got weekly imbalance, daily BPR. I'll show you all the balance price range.
I gotta bring my wrist down a little too much. I'm getting too excited.
I think this is a weekly imbalance or volume imbalance. Then we have a gap, a little bit of smaller gap, then another gap.
Another
gap.
thing too, y'all. Like,
This
if
is
y'all
the daily.
brand new traders, and y'all see me putting like all these signals in the chat, y'all don't gotta take every trade. Like, y'all need to understand how much money y'all want to make today, every day, really. And it's like, bro, you hit your money. Like, you hit your money goal.
I think $1,000 a day for me, I would be pretty happy for now. But yeah, I am a new trader. I've just been trading on like a demo, so like.
How much money you got in your account to be trying to make $1,000 a day?
3.
Well, here's the thing. If you get 300, oh, okay.
No, you got 3,000 in your account.
Yeah.
In your live account.
Oh no.
Oh, okay, all right, bet. On a prop firm account.
Let's say
I get it.
Let's say you do have 3,000. Your goal's 1,000, right? I would say that's enough capital for sure.
It's like 1,000.
But some days you gotta be comfortable with just a 500 a day as well. You know, like if 500 is what you get out of your trade, take that. You also gotta be comfortable, or no, you gotta be disciplined enough to know that okay, some days they're not gonna be a trade setup, right? Because you'd rather not force a trade that's not working in your favor and just not trade rather than a possible loss, right? I'd rather have my results be 0 P&L than a negative P&L. So I mean, every single day, that's hard to do, especially starting out. If you're not super experienced and could just be on the charts all day, every day. But that, if you got 3K,
to make 1,000, you gotta be willing to lose 1,000 too, though.
That is true.
I was watching a psychology class on YouTube, and he was saying like most people like they want to make 1,000, 2,000, but they don't keep in mind like in order to make that money, you gotta be cool with seeing like big drawdown.
Right, you can't like panic sell.
Or panic get out. Like.
He said panic get out. I don't know why that sounded funny as hell.
Panic and get right out of the trade.
India. Whoa, what did I just click on? Is that what I meant to do? Yes. Anyways. So, updates of that gold trade I had last night. I got a few comments on this mug. I wonder if they're all me. We can see the trade setup. I bought this from that 15-minute touch right here. You can see there's a 15-minute order block. Price kind of got above, touch right below it. I think this white line was like liquidity, so I just bought where price was. Bought it to this 1 hour order block that price is currently at now. It played out, rejected this weekly imbalance, came back, retested this 1 hour order block, and we see it back above price. Fire. I love how does that play out. Yesterday we was talking about we need a name for gold. I said Supreme Queen Gold.
Supreme Queen.
I think like a royalty, you know, like royalty, like a queen, just with the just black and gold.
Do we think Bitcoin's gonna go up today? It's at 76,000 right now.
He put in the buy earlier, like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
I did last night. I did another one. Every time I buy that motherfucker want to put me in drawdown.
Maybe the spread, that's really what it is.
I think I'm gonna close and go for this right here. A reposition. Go for a limit for highs. Should we go for 80? Because I mean we could hold this all weekend and manage it all weekend, so. I'm basically putting, yeah, I'm gonna close this trade out and then just enter a buy at my stop loss. I was in profit, but
Closed it out.
yeah, I'm about to. I haven't yet, but I'm about to. Let's see here. Let's see if I get. The only reason I'm losing these is because I really don't. I'm not managing my stop losses. I'm not at all. I'm just setting a stop loss. Let's do this. Either 20 pips. Okay. I don't mind that. Let's do a little bit. 25. 25 pips stop loss. So this will be the next entries. Just move this over. Just to see if that stays there. Entry there. 186. We'll do 199. Stop loss 75. A $2 stop loss is crazy.
That means you ain't trying to lose no money.
No cap. Or giving or nothing.
That means I ain't trying to lose nothing. shit about to sell off. It damn sure look like it. I'm thinking about typing another signal out of chat.
For gold?
Mm-hmm. But I think these highs gonna get taken out first, maybe, before this sell off, but probably not because we making lower highs. We definitely making lower highs for sure. Fuck it, y'all. Let's go for it. I might type it out. Four, 5, 88. Stop loss 4, 5, 96. 4, 5, 80. Where am I? 88.
You said for gold?
Yeah.
4,589. Actually 580, 590. Just went up to 590.
It went up to 590? Oh, baby.
Man, it's at the buy side liquidity right now. Some wicks here. Why did go out to play early today, man? Damn. Y'all, we literally had this buy right here. And I was like, stop loss somewhere within here. That motherfucker wicked me out and then bought. That is insane. If I would have waited just one more minute to enter that buy on gold, I think we would have been fine. I guess I wasn't sharing my screen when it happened, but still, oh my gosh, bro. That is insane.
Where is TB1? 86.
If that's what gotta happen for me to take an L, I guess I'll take it, bro. Me being 30 seconds early. Literally, as soon as I hit enter, that motherfucker dropped. Waked me out.
That sound about right.
In reverse. Was I recording on OBS? I don't think I was. Maybe on my computer recorded. Let's see.
Y'all heard about peptides?
Peptides?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, I used to be a personal trainer, so I know a few things. Why? You got like a friend or somebody who are you looking into him?
Yeah, I think I might see what's up with him.
That's not a bad place to start.
There's a lot of new ones that came out. So he says that. I mean, he's never felt better.
Who has said that?
This dude who got out of prison, his homeboy like owns like a whole peptide business.
Okay, gotcha. Heck yeah. I mean, I would just have a coach with that stuff. Maybe get your blood work done beforehand so you can actually see like.
You got like a whole blood panel and shit.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Heck yeah, bro. Yeah, that's smooth. I would say like, just so you can actually see what it's really doing to you, how it affects you as an individual. I would recommend against steroids, but peptides ain't gonna fucking change who you are.
No, yeah.
It's not gonna fucking blast your testosterone to the point your body don't want to naturally make anymore. There it goes, bro. So what's up with these snipers today who everybody wanted to sell?
Oh, goodness.
No talk on Sean, but everybody else, that's what had me confused. Cause what? Like, what you mean? What you mean? It's funny because everyone is probably looking at recent price. Everyone looking at gold. I'm telling you, everyone looking at gold like this. This is why they see sales, because everyone see gold like this. No one's looking to win price last was at 4,500 because it hasn't been here for what, a whole 3 months. This is why I would recommend, like, when people say how far back do you look, first I have to look back to when price was ever actually at that price. If it's not an all-time high, I'm looking at the last time price was here. If price hasn't been here since 2022, I'm going all the way back to 2022 and analyzing the candlesticks that it formed, what order blocks, what gaps, what imbalances, where's the buy side, sell side liquidity in 2022 to see what it may do today if that's the last time price has been here. So first off, when the last time it's been there, and then second, yeah, I mean, that's honestly your main answer right there. But if it's really like maybe something like this, price may be currently here, like this. Where would I look for? I would probably look at all of this. Last 2-3 months minimum. I go far back enough to where my candlesticks will look like this, where you can't really see them one by one. But I could go by lines and see where's the highs, where's the lows. I want to get in that chat, be like, I told you I was buying, but I didn't say shit about gold buying at all. I didn't say nothing in there because, I mean, at that point, bro, so many people were selling, bro. I'm like, oh, cool. I do see this weekly imbalance. So I'm just like, price wants to sell. It's probably going to do it now. I'm going to go back to this and be like, I wonder if they get notified. If price pull back, whichever would be worth the buy. I said this. Wait, what? Sell side liquidity. I said this 1, 4, 6, da 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 da. So that was resistance. How do you see the trend? I don't know how to answer that. How do you see the trend? In what way? How do you see the trend? I can speak your language, but I couldn't explain my language because, like, not gonna tell her that I hit stop loss, but it's all good. Welp. Buy side liquidity is getting reached.
Yes, it is, for sure. Yo, they in this chat getting cooked. Oh, shit.
Oh, what? In the snipers?
He just had to flex on him.
I mean, I ain't gonna do too much. Like, I did hit that sell, but
He just had to flex on him real quick.
oh fuck, I did the hourly. Hold up. Damn, I should do like the 15, 5 minute. No, I ain't gonna cap. We're not gonna cap for the snipers. Oh look, you see how she using a line? Oh, I thought that was a line graph. Her candlesticks are so blue. She did not switch to buys. What are we looking at here? What is this? It's not Nasdaq. I can't tell what that is. Oh, it's gold. Trend line? KK trades trend lines? If y'all don't know about KK, which I don't expect y'all to, but KK flipped, what was it, like $30 into 30,000, or was it 300 into 30,000?
I need to do some shit like that.
I think she flipped 300. So first she had like 30. She had $30, flipped it to 300, then flipped to 300 to like 30,000. That's what it was.
Yeah, G status for sure.
Bruh, no one put in more work than this motherfucker right here, bro. Like she studies the game like a fucking NBA player studies basketball, bro. Like
Type shit.
I was talking about Nasdaq earlier, so I didn't get to do too much, but there we go. TP3 was reached on Nasdaq.
Yo.
We was in this bitch. I want that order block to be seen. My screenshot. Okay. Nasdaq TP3 hits. Honestly, y'all, I'll maybe try getting one more trade for y'all, cause I know that one in this one it was trash. That is a good area. Look how price already rejected this area. That is a good area for Nasdaq to buy from. Oh, this is a perfect area. It just got sell side liquidity. Huge sell side. I can expect Nasdaq to want to do something from here. We'll see though. If it comes back, I need to come back one more time. This is the daily FEG equilibrium. Oh my gosh. Price is probably buying from here. I would expect price to buy. We may not get lucky for another entry here, but we can get another fucking entry like right here. Right here. I'll go all the way up. To here. Ooh. I just gotta retest this because we have a bit of an inducement. So I need price. To come back for this. If price don't come back, let her go. Bye, Felicia. But right now, I need price to come back for this. I'm using this 1 hour order block as support.
Are we looking at NAS?
Yep. There's a daily fair value gap. The equilibrium of this daily fair value gap. We'll go all the way to daily to find it. Huge ass fair value gap. Now see how this wick or the top of this candlestick ended here, and then this one shot all the way up, and this one doesn't touch it. So this is a whole open candlestick. This is a whole open candlestick on the daily. So the midpoint of it, which I call equilibrium, is going to be basically that line right there that's lined up with sell side liquidity. You see price rejected it once, rejected it twice. Yes. Oh, we're about to hit previous day's low on Nasdaq too. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on right now. This is a great opportunity. You can see how many times price kind of rejected this area. Even on a Wednesday, it opened up price from there and went up. So This is a huge area for price to reverse at. It's retesting this stop loss, retesting this daily fair value gap equilibrium, and possible buys. You can see how much it wicked from there already. We'll go to 1 hour. I need to find a good time frame to kind of just set this trade up with how strong that actually is. What is this right here? Volume imbalance. Ah, damn it. We'll go 1 hour order block. We'll go by right there. Right in between. Right in between. We'll delete these. This is just liquidity in between. Hopefully it takes what I just had. Hopefully uses our first TP as buy side liquidity to come back for sell side. I need to come back for sell side and get this. Let me know if that made sense to y'all, if y'all have questions, because I know to me obviously it's gonna make sense in my head, but it may not make sense to the next person.
It makes sense to me.
I'm trying to find that market. Nas 100.
It's I'm using Oanda if you're looking for the forex pair, or else it'll just be in QQQ, and Q1.
I'm usually on NQ1. I was just looking at the other ones.
What we got here? What is this? 2 hour order block buy? Damn. I was hoping we'd get here too. Let me post for my Discord first. Entries. 29, 137, stop loss 0.
29 what? 137.
Entry is 29, 137.8. Top of the order block. May have a little bit drawdown. We're not worried unless it closes below this order block. And then we'll look for this 2 hour buy. This 2 hour order block to actually buy from too. But it's Friday. We literally close in 10, 11, 12 plus about 4, 5, about 8 hours. I don't expect it to go all the way here and then here and one day closing week, right? In 8 hours before the week closes. But so we'll try to buy from here now. And if that doesn't work out, this is going to be the buy. Take profit is right above this daily fair value gap before we reach maybe these order blocks, or before this 1 hour order block, before we get to this volume imbalance. If we're able to close above all of this, then we can aim for this buy side liquidity up here. But that'd be like TP3. So I'm just aiming for the top of this fair value gap on that daily that we looked at earlier. Price might come back for us. TP 2944. I'm gonna do 444. TP.
What time are you on? What time of the chart are you on?
15. Let's do this. If nothing. Okay. Daily fair value gap with SSL. I need the equilibrium. What's the equilibrium? 29.51. Is it 151? 151.
motherfucker pushing down. I'm looking at it right now. That shit smacking all my goddamn alerts.
Ping, 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 ping. I see it. See what it does against that 1 hour order block. Top of the order block is at 45.82. 45.82 is the top of the order block. Damn, that's a hard ass candlestick. You would think news or something just came out. Forex Factory hasn't posted anything yet. What Trump talking about? Trump say some shit.
Oh my goodness, y'all, look at gone.
They grabbed buy side liquidity and sold off. Sold off. It's aiming for sell side liquidity now, y'all. That would have been a valid entry where we just tapped that sell side liquidity. Honestly, that was valid. If you want to hop in that trade, I'll get there and just let it below. So about the SL down here, but just being very, very lower lot size, right? You may have a higher lot size here, but since we're entering higher, just have a lower lot size. I am about to screenshot this and post it. See if I can just remember everything I just talked about. Sorry, this is gonna be a bright ass screen for y'all. Nasdaq.
Okay, come on. Hit a big ass candle. Up 300.
Yeah. I need that Rocky.
I wonder if they still talking about buys.
They ain't talking about shit about it in that motherfucker.
They ain't talking about shit. Hey, you ever notice sometime when I post in the chat, motherfuckers don't be liking my shit or nothing?
Yeah.
Bro's hurt. Nah, bro, because I noticed that. I just be like, damn, like, I feel like sign up with that. Like, what the fuck? You think they got some animal? Aaron, no. Every time I go in that chat, you know what I mean?
It's because
I got a couple arguments over there.
Motherfuckers wasn't really trading, and they'll see you hit. Oh, this buy this hit, sell this hit, and then it'd be one trade. Buy this, SL. It's like, oh, this nigga, bro, this nigga just won 13 trades in a row, 15 trades. He loses one. Now you won't be on his ass about some bullshit. And also, you know what they really mad about? Tracy wanted to sell something one day, and you wanted to buy, and then you sent a buy limit. Okay, opposite. He wanted to sell, you wanted to buy. Or did I just say that?
Nah, he wanted to buy and I sold.
Okay, so you sold and you sent a sell signal in his shit while he wanted to buy. and he was pissed off about that. You know what's funny, nigga? Your trade played out.
Bro,
He was mad about you doing that, and nigga, your shit hit TP and his shit hit SL, nigga. That's why that nigga was mad. This shit back on YouTube, me saying this, man.
So heavy.
And then ever since then, that nigga shut that shit down. And he wasn't fucking with it, bro. Niggas gonna ride for that nigga regardless, so. You feel me?
bro, like straight just dick ride.
Might as well get a fucking saddle.
Every time I got cursed out and I go disappear, they'd be hitting me up like, bro, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Nah, don't ask me shit.
Nigga. I'll fuck around. Wouldn't be on the market at all. Wouldn't look at the market at all. CSL or a Sean signal. Fuck around, just take it, enter his parameters, nigga, just hit. Like I just hit off of not even looking at the markets. Nigga, I just enter some shit, press the button, and I just hit. I was like, yeah, nigga, you come fuck with my game, nigga. Go. I was like, come over here and be appreciated.
Nah, facts. He did tell me that.
Oh god, nigga, I tell the truth, baby. There's so many reasons why I want to enter from this area.
I like these sales though, man. This shit is just shit is ripping everything. Sellers are in control. I'm about to go in there like see them and fake out. Watch this. Fuck it.
I wish I could see the risk reward. At least an 8.
Hey, Dylan. We getting a lot of traders in this
Okay, so this would be support resistance. You talking about in Stack Digital Figures? We're getting a lot of people in here.
Yeah, man, we growing.
We is. I love it too. I love how every day we just have a different amount of who comes in. Like I'll say, if you hit your profit, you're doing good on it. Like yesterday, we fucking hit. So if you're not trading today, 100% valid. We hit hard as fuck yesterday. Someone had a busy morning.
Yeah, I need to start hopping on these trades, bro.
I wonder why her chart is so bright. Did she sell what she do? She sell Nasdaq? Is that what we did earlier? She got the same sell. Nice. Well, I'm gonna end this this freaking recording I have that's about an hour long and post it to YouTube. Appreciate y'all tuning in. We have trades that we're looking for. We caught some trades. This is how I did earlier today. About 182 on Nasdaq sales. We got a Bitcoin limit going. We got a Nasdaq buy limit going. I don't think I set a limit for gold. Maybe last night. No, I had analysis for gold. But yeah, that's what I wanted to add. $29,151 is at cool.